Here's how to graph a linear equation using the x and y intercepts. So if we're given the equation y equals 6 minus 3x, what we need to do is find where the graph crosses the x-axis and where the graph crosses the y-axis, plot those 2 points, and draw a line. To do this, we're going to start and say, let x equal 0. So what I do is I plug 0 in for x into my original equation. So y equals 6 minus 3 times 0. I put in 0 for x. Now let's solve that. So y equals 6 minus 3 times 0 is 0, or y equals 6. That means in this equation, when x is 0, y is 6, and that actually gives me the y-intercept, or the point 0, 6. Now let's do the same thing for y. Let's say, let y equal 0, plug in 0 for y into the original equation, so 0 equals 6 minus 3x, and now let's solve that for x. Subtract 6 from both sides, negative 6 equals negative 3x, and divide both sides by negative 3, or x is equal to 2. That means that when y is 0, x is 2, and that gives me the x-intercept, which is at the point 2, 0. Now let's plot those 2 points. 0, 6, my x is 0, but I have to go up 6 on the y-axis, and I'll put a point right there. My x-intercept is 2, so that's the point 2, 0. So I go 2 on the x-axis, put a point there, and then connect those dots. And that's the line y equals 6 minus 3x, graphed using x and y intercepts. Let's take a look at another example. This equation is written in standard form. X minus y equals 5. So let's let x equal 0. Plug 0 in for x into the original equation. So 0 minus y equals 5. And now let's clean that up. So that means negative y equals 5, or multiplying both sides by a negative 1, because I don't want a negative y, I want a positive y. Y is equal to negative 5. That gives me the point 0, negative 5. Now let's let y equal 0. And plugging 0 into the original equation for y, x minus 0 equals 5, or x equals 5. When y is 0, x is 5, that gives me the point 5, 0. Now let's plot each of those on the coordinate plane. 0, negative 5 is my y-intercept, which is that point right there. 5, 0, 5 is my x-intercept, which is this point right here. And we connect those 2 points to a line, and that is the line x minus y equals 5, graphed using x and y intercepts.